So in this class, we have to discuss about the problems on Nernst equation. So example question 1, the calculate the EMF electromotive force of the cell at 25 degrees centigrade, that is at room temperature. So the given cell is at in room, that is at room temperature. We have to calculate electromotive force. So the given cell is Cr bar Cr plus 3. So concentration is 0.1 molar salt bridge. Fe plus 2, concentration 0.01 molar or iron Fe. So in the given cell there is a salt bridge. So the given cell is voltaic cell. So here to the for these are SRP1, SRP2. So it may be right hand electrode or it may be left hand electrode. So let me do. So the given cell is so there is salt bridge. So the given cell is voltaic or galvanic cell. So the given cell is at room temperature. Therefore, Nernst equation. So at room temperature, at 25 degrees centigrade, Nernst equation is equal to E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 by N log products concentration by reactants concentration. So in this formula we use this Nernst equation. So here we have to find out E0 cell, that is the standard cell potential. Generally E0 cell is positive. That means there is two values. So Cr plus 3 bar Cr, Fe plus 2 bar Fe SR. So what is the major value? So the major value is here minus 0.44. Therefore E0 cell is equal to E0 cathode minus E0 anode. Generally cathode is major value, that is say minus 0.44 minus 0.74, that is say minus 0.44 plus 0.74, that is equal plus 0.74 minus 0.44, that is equals plus 0.3 volts. This is E0 cell. We know that the given electrocell equation has Cr bar Cr plus 3, 0.1 molar concentration salt bridge, Fe plus 2, its molar concentration 0.01 molar bar Fe. So for this galvanic cell we have to write the cell reaction. We know what is cell reaction, the addition of oxidation of reaction and reduction of reaction. So first we write oxidation. Cr will gives to Cr plus 3 plus 3 electrons. This is oxidation of reaction. So now Fe plus 2 converts as Fe. That means Fe plus 2 iron reduced by 2 electrons, it converts as iron. This is reduction of reaction. So when we add oxidation of reaction, reduction of reaction, that is cell reaction, then electrons must be cancelled. So here 3 electrons, here 3 electrons. So it is not possible to cancel. So this, let me take this equation 1, this equation 2. So equation 1 multiplied with 2, here equation 2 multiplied with 3. Therefore 2Cr will gives to 2Cr plus 3 plus 6 electrons. 3 3 Fe plus 2 plus 6 electrons will gives to 3 Fe. So, an addition 6 electrons. Therefore, cell reaction equal 2Cr plus 3 Fe plus 2 will gives to 2Cr plus 3 plus 3 Fe. So, this is the cell reaction. Therefore, here number of electrons involved in the reaction is equal to 6 electrons. So, N is equal to 6 electrons. So, in the cell reaction, so here ferrous ion is reactant. Cr plus 3 is the product. We know that reactant concentration Fe plus 2 0.01 molar. Products on Cr plus 3 concentration is 0.1 molar. Therefore, the next equation we know that E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 by N into log products concentration by reactants concentration. Therefore, we know that E0 cell is equal to 0.3 minus 0.059 by number of electrons involved in reaction 6 into log. Here product is the Cr plus 3, but there is 2. Therefore, product is Cr plus 3. The 2 is converted as square. By here product is, so reactant is Fe plus 2. So multiplied with 3. So it converts as Q. That is say 0.3 minus 0.059 by 6 into log Cr plus 3 concentration is 0.1 whole square by ferrous ion concentration 0 plus 0.011 whole square. Therefore, 0.3 minus 0.059 by 6, 0.059 by 6 value is equal to 0.00983 into log. So let me take this value 0.1 whole square by 0.01 whole square. We have to write this. 0.1 whole square we write as 0.1 into 0.1. 0.1 we write as 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. That is equal to 1 by 100. 1 by 100 we write as 1 by 10 square. That is known as 10 power minus 2. Now 0.001, this is whole cube. Therefore, 0.01 whole cube we write as 0.01 into 0.01 into 3 times. So 0.01 by written as 1 by 100. It is also 1 by 100. That is called, there are 6 zeros. 1 by 10 power 6. It is written at 10 power minus 6. So we write as 0.1 whole square we write as 10 power minus 2 by 0.01 whole cube written as 10 power minus 6. So simply know that is here 2, yes sir. That is say 0.1, 0.3 minus 0.00983 into log 10 power minus 2 by 10 power minus 6 we write as 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 4. So here it cancel 10 power minus 4. So now the last step is 0.3 minus 0.00983 into log, in denominator 10 power minus 4, it converts as 10 power 4. So we know that log m power n is equal to n log m. We know that log m power n is equal to n into log m. Therefore log 10 power 4 is equal to 4 into log 10. 4 into log 10 value 1, that is equal to 4. So this total value is equal to 4. That is equal to 0.3 minus 0.00983 into 4. That is equal to 0.3 minus 0.00983 into 4. Its value is 0.03932. So that is equal to 0.2606 plus volts.